Are you looking for the best camping chair? In this video, we'll break down the top camping chairs available whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best camping chairs on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair. This chair is made to last and keep you comfortable on all of your outdoor adventures. The bonus built-in cooler is perfect for keeping your beverages cold while sitting in any type of weather. Currently, this chair is on sale for $29.99. It's a great deal for this outdoor chair that is meant to last. This chair is known for its comfort. The built-in cushions in the back and seat of the chair give it an almost couch-like feel. The built-in cooler means you don't have to get up to grab your beer or beverage of choice, and the mesh pockets are great for holding your cell phone or other personal belongings. This chair easily unfolds, and then easily collapses when it's time to transport. The Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair weighs about 8.2 pounds, so it's not too heavy to carry around. It comes with a carry bag that the chair can easily be folded into. The frame of this chair is made of steel and can hold up to 325 pounds. The seat measures at 24 inches and the material is made of polyester. At number 2, we have the Helinox Chair. This chair folds up to become an extremely compact bag and is the ideal chair for anyone on the go. The mesh of the chair is machine washable and made from 600 weave ripstop polyester. Yes, it's more expensive than your average camping chair, but it has a 5-year warranty and is made from quality material. It is quite comfortable considering how lightweight and thin the chair is. It's made from 600 weave ripstop polyester. The setup of this chair is super simple. It comes with an internal bungee cord that self-assembles the poles. Basically, all you have to do is pull the chair out of its pouch and it will practically set itself up. Of all the chairs we reviewed, this Helinox chair is by far the easiest to transport. It folds up so compact that it can fit in your backpack or carrying bag. This chair is ideal for hiking or long distance. It weighs only 1.9 pounds. The chair has an aluminum alloy frame which gives it strength. It can hold up to about 320 pounds. At number 3, we have the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Chair. While we didn't need to include a rocker chair in this video, we just couldn't resist because this one gets lots of attention. For a super comfortable, and shall we say luxurious camping experience, this rocker will make a great addition to your trip. Pretty standard pricing for a comfortable camping chair with high quality construction. The only possible issue you may have in terms of comfort with this is the height of the seat back. Otherwise, the padded armrests and high quality materials make for a comfortable sitting and rocking experience. Most reviewers support the manufacturer's claim of easy setup and fold up. Since this is a rocker, you're probably not looking to take it hiking. Nevertheless, it's important to note that it weighs about 13 pounds, so we wouldn't suggest carrying this too far. GCI does a great job of creating high-quality camping chairs for an affordable price. This one is no different. At number 4, we have the Kelty Low Loveseat Chair. Sometimes all you want to do is snuggle up next to your traveling companion by the fire and food and relax after a long day outdoors. This comfortable love seat was made for this exact purpose. While this chair is a little pricier than most, you've got to consider the fact that you're getting 2 chairs in one. With high-quality fabrics and the ability to adjust the positioning of the chair to your liking, this double camping chair is all about the comfort. Most reviewers have noted that this chair is very easy to set up. While it does come with its own bag for carrying, it's 15.4 pounds of carrying that you'll have to consider adding to your other gear you're bringing along. Because comfort and ease are of utmost importance, this chair's construction is solid. With a steel frame and quilted polyester fabric, this is made from high-quality materials. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Kelsyus Kids Outdoor Canopy Chair. The Kelsyus Kids Outdoor Canopy Chair can be made into a backpack for super easy transport. It's perfect for children ages 3 and up, and can hold up to about 75 pounds. The chair includes an adjustable canopy top to protect your child from the sun. Considering it's a child's chair that will be eventually outgrown, it's a little on the pricey side. However, the quality of the chair is excellent and will keep your child comfortable. This chair is designed for children 3 or older. It comes with a cup holder and is an almost replica of the adult Kelsyus camping chair. The sun canopy with 50+ UPF protection maximizes comfort for your child so they are prepared for even the sunniest days. This chair is easy to set up and comes with an adjustable canopy top that can be removed or shifted if needed. At only roughly 4.5 pounds, this chair is easy to carry along on your family hiking camping adventures. The chair folds up and can become a backpack, making transportation of this kid's chair even easier. The chair is durable and will hold up for children under the weight of 75 pounds. So that sums up our top camping chairs of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.